Hello dear learners, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Farhana. Welcome to my channel English Learning Door. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about a highly used figure of speech, irony. But before talking about irony, we have to know the meaning of irony, right? Yes, so look at the word. Irony means sneer or satire or ridicule or jest or mock. But if you don't know the meaning of one of these words, you can take the help of a dictionary that translates from English to your native language. Now come to the definitions of irony. Today I'm going to share with you two definitions of irony, so take pen and paper for writing. Definition number 1. Look at the words. In irony, the contrary of what is meant is stated, and the purpose is to hurt a person or some persons. I'm reading again. In irony, the contrary of what is meant is stated, and the purpose is to hurt a person or some persons. Here, contrary means opposite. Let me write for you. Opposite. So, this definition refers that irony is the exact opposite of what is meant, and the purpose is to hurt a person or some persons, okay? Then definition number 2. Irony is a figure of speech in which words are used in such a way that their intended meaning are totally different from their literal meaning. So, in a words, it is a difference between appearance and reality. I'm reading again, listen carefully. Irony is a figure of speech in which words are used in such a way that their intended meaning are totally different from their literal meaning. So, in a words, it is a difference between appearance and reality. So, from this definition, it's clear to us that in irony, there are two levels that always exist, surface level and internal level. And in the case of irony, surface level and internal level are always carry the quite opposite meaning. Now, it's important to know what is surface level and what is internal level, right? Yes, I'm telling you. Surface level refers to the outward or external appearance of something that we can see or hear from outside. On the other hand, internal level refers to the actual form of something that we can't see with the eyes or hear with the ears, but we feel with the heart. So, for example, being annoyed with a person's bad behavior, I'm mocking him by telling that your behavior is so sweet that I'm fascinated as much as I hear it. Your behavior is so sweet that I'm fascinated as much as I hear it. The external or literal meaning of this sentence is that I'm very happy at a person's good behavior, and it is the surface level. But the actual or real meaning of this sentence is that I don't like this person because of his bad behavior, and it is the internal level, okay? The next example, I like you so much, who always forsake me in danger. The external or literal meaning of this sentence is that I like you so much, who always put me in danger. But in reality, we never like this person who leaves us in danger. So, from the whole discussion, we can say that irony is the name of mocking or hurting someone by saying the exact opposite of what is meant. There are 3 types of irony. If you want to know about them, write me in the comment box, then I'll try to make video on this topic, inshallah. So that's it. I'm ending it today. If you like my class, like, share, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to get all of my new videos. And if you don't like my class, keep watching. It will be helpful to you very soon, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.